Hey guys, welcome to the channel again. Today we're going to be installing a brand new cold air intake with a high flow washable air filter. I have never replaced the air filter in this car and we're running with the stock one. So let's lift this up. As you can see, it is the default. I'm excited to install the new one today. I've never installed one, but I'm sure it cannot be that difficult. But yeah, time to open this up. And yeah, I'm going to show you everything that comes with it. I'm sure there's going to be some stickers. I'm sure there's going to be some other goodies, but that's not the reason why you get this. Got a handy dandy box cutter. Time to dig in. Seems like it's already open. Don't know why. So I've removed the factory air system at this point, just to access the air filter. But yeah, now I got to loosen up that bolt, and then we're going to be good to go. And now that's been completely removed. I just got to attach the silicone hose. Okay, so our brand new air filter is inside of here, inside of the entire cold air intake. The housing looks really nice. This carbon fiber overlay is really sleek, and it actually is really high quality. I just wish it was glossy so it would match the other carbon fiber I have on the inside. But besides that, it's all buttoned up. Now it is time to turn on the car and test to make sure. I guess I'll keep the hood open just to hear what it sounds like. Everything's buttoned up here. Everything's good. Now it is time to go drive, and I want to hear what this sounds like. Hopefully the number one most common mod isn't overhyped. It probably is. I'm hopefully seeking just to feel the car a little bit better and some other things, but we're gonna see, is it worth getting a cold air intake with a brand new air filter? The air filter, by the way, was humongous, which was really good because hopefully that's gonna be able to capture more air. As of right now, I've not felt an entirely insane difference, but I'm excited to drive up over here. It doesn't even sound different, which is kind of crazy to me because I've heard that if you change up the air filter, not even just like a cold air intake, but an air filter, that you'll hear it change, but I have not heard anything yet. So we'll step on a little bit, just getting up to the speed over here, and then hear how it really sounds. So it definitely sounds different. Like if I'm just like listening, like it's so much more like throatier. I don't know how to describe it. It just feels like it's like growling a lot more. The lower end and the deep rumbles, and then the high-pitched shift is a lot faster and snappier, sounds like. Overall, it sounds a lot better. I think it's just finally eating as much as the engine can. Isn't this insane, dude? Dude.
How does it sound though?
Oh. You're gonna see this a little bit. Low revs, it doesn't even like change anything, but as soon as you hit top end, I thought this was a 5.0 when I hit the gas. It's actually insane. Okay, it's cold. I'm trying to go, but yeah. Doesn't it look good as well? Carbon fiber and everything?